Ginger, Zingiber officinale, has been used as a traditional medicinal plant for centuries in various parts of the world, especially in Asia and Africa. Here are some of the benefits of ginger as a medicinal plant. Relieving nausea and vomiting. Ginger can help alleviate nausea and vomiting caused by various factors such as morning sickness during pregnancy, chemotherapy, and others. Reducing joint pain. Ginger contains anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce inflammation in joints and improve joint mobility in people with osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Improving digestion. Ginger can help increase the production of digestive enzymes, reduce bloating, and accelerate the process of food digestion. Lowering blood sugar levels. Ginger has the ability to increase insulin sensitivity in the body, thus helping to lower blood sugar levels in people with diabetes. Boosting the immune system. Ginger contains compounds that can help boost the immune system, thus helping the body fight infections and diseases. Improving blood circulation. Ginger can help improve blood circulation and improve blood flow throughout the body. Enhancing brain function. Ginger contains compounds that can enhance brain function, including improving memory and concentration. However, before using ginger as a medication, it is recommended to consult a doctor, especially for people with certain medical conditions or who are taking certain medications.